These are our lovely geese. They are beautiful and entertaining and interesting, and we love them very much, but they make a huge amount of poo every day, and unfortunately a lot of it ended up on our decking outside the kitchen. That's because the geese like to sleep there at night and take naps there in the day. So we needed a little fence to keep them off. If it's just a few inches tall, we can step over it, and we wouldn't even need a gate. And luckily the geese have very short legs, so they won't be able to step over. Well, that's the plan anyway. So the challenge was to design something I can cut out with my plasma cutter machine. So I drew these two shapes and cut them out first in thin card to see how they look. I'm using a laser cutter for this, but it takes the same computer files, so it's a good way to test designs without wasting lots of expensive steel. I tweaked the design slightly for the second version, less pointy, and I think they look okay. Like that, on there. So then I took the design to the plasma cutter and I cut out a batch in 2mm steel sheet. Just, the thing is down here. They need a little cleaning up with a wire brush. These two shapes can be put together in a few different ways. We could even rearrange them depending on our mood. But we probably won't. And here they are going into position. Sam turned up just in time to help out. Thanks, Sam. They're bolted together and screwed to the edge of the decking, but I made them with little spikes so they could be just stuck in the ground on the edge of a flower bed or something. Isn't it posh? Yes, of course I ought to get them galvanized, but I just wanted to reclaim our deck quickly while the sun is shining. Sorry about that, geese.